we were in that room and we were asking questions and getting, popping different responses to stuff.
From the
And the one girl's got her own recorder.
Right.
She had it on, so we were, see about having to listen to it.
Who has the recorder? Who has it?
Susan.
I gotta figure out how to rewind it.
She's rewinding it. But we were asking questions and we would get like responses
Right.
to different stuff. And like one thing we said something and we had like a pop, pop, pop.
Right.
And it was different chairs. So it wasn't like if it was one chair popping on its own.
Right.
And I'm trying to think what.
How long do you think we were out of the room?
Well, you guys were just gone a short time. We went in there because we kept hearing something. We went in there and we were just sitting there.
Right.
And it had been long enough that enough of the chairs had
That's
done the
me,
popping.
yeah.
Whoa!
And it was, enough. And
I
then
would say 10 minutes ago. When I walked out of the room, they had just experienced before I went in that room.
As long as it wasn't right after, because those chairs are going to start adjusting a little bit after we get out of
We had
them.
gone upstairs and we were standing there. And
Okay.
then,
But she
All right,
thought
so it's
she
long
was
enough.
on the recorder. She thought you might want to document that now just in case.
I found it.
Okay.
Will everybody be quiet for one moment, please?
and the volume.
That was the chair. Do you want us to leave? Do you see my brain lights? Can you come focus first? That's getting a little loud. Are you irritated with us being in here? I mean, you have to like press on these things to move this. I think that's what I'm saying.